Hello everyone, in this video I will try to explain how you can dropship Amazon to eBay, and I will show you basically everything step by step. Stay tuned. In this video I will try to explain it is the amazing software. If you're living in the United Kingdom, this is gonna be game changer. This software is gonna make all those information from Amazon, Zoopla, Costco, AliExpress and all other supplier, also retail as well. They're gonna drive all information to your eBay. First of all, you have to know, if you do dropshipping, you make sure you keeping all eBay rules and policies. If you want to know what's that, all you have to do, just come to Google and just write eBay dropshipping policy. And after those things, when you write eBay dropshipping policy, just come and read all information. And eBay say dropshipping, also knowing the product searching, is a way for selling items eBay without ever handling the items yourself, as you see. So you allowed to do dropshipping on eBay. However, what eBay doesn't like, as you see over here, dropshipping where you fulfill orders directly from the wholesale supplier is allowed on eBay, as they want to say, yeah, you can do dropship. However, they say, listing an item on eBay, then purchasing the item from another retail or marketplace, this ship directly to your customer is not allowed on eBay. So what means? If you start anew and you want to make money online, and you saw some couple videos on how people make money on dropshipping and Shopify and Amazon and Etsy and eBay, etc., so you want to make this business, but you have to make sure what you want to do. So as you see, they don't like when you dropship to Amazon to eBay, because they are doing the same stuff, and then they don't want to be them going higher. So you can do, let's say, CJ dropshipping, or maybe kind of different wholesales. They do directly ship the one-of-one as well. So you can just keep like this side, and then you can ship your customers. So basically this software today, which I'm gonna show you, they're gonna help you everything. First things first, you have to have eBay store or shop. If you don't have, just type Google ebay.co.uk, or if you want to open to America, just ebay.com. And depends which country you want to do, you can do also your country as well. So when you join the eBay, after that, do not let it straight away nothing, because they're gonna ban your account. What you should do, at least 2 weeks you have to wait, and you buy some couple purchase. It can be some pen, it can be some stuff. Reason why you do this, because eBay want to see you like a shopper, not a buyer, sorry, not shopper. So you have to focus, first things first, just buy a couple items and make some cookies. And 2 weeks, between 4 weeks period, you just try to list some couples second-hand item, or you can do also, you can just put new item, but you make sure this is all handmade item. Which you can find on Etsy, on Amazon as well. So after those things happening, after 1 month, you can start to list item, because this is really important. Otherwise, eBay gonna send you suspension. So let's start, and let's say it's 1 month past, and I'm ready to go. This software's name is the Hustle Got Real, and you can just join anytime as ever you want. I'm gonna bring down the link so you can just join. I believe they give you 10 product. Is free. It is amazing. You know, you pay so much money for software. Sometimes they charging £50, £60, £100. So this is free, guys. And trust me, when you're gonna get sales, you're gonna purchase anyway. So let's say in this scenario, I want to do dropshipping eBay. So it's coming to country: Australia, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, and United States. Which one you want to do? In this scenario, I'm gonna go ahead with United States. So they ask you, do you have an eBay account? If you say not yet, so you have to create account. So if you have, you just come here, write eBay. So now this is really important, guys. You have to make sure you have to make sure to read eBay developer program. And if you don't know what's this IP and non-IP, you can get more info on eBay website as well. But let me explain you something. This IP means they automatically connect eBay store to software, and so they get link, which eBay can see those things. which eBay some point doesn't like, some point like it. So this is a little bit confused, I know. However, if you start right now and if you don't know what you're doing, you're just getting some information and you just want to do something, so go with non-IP, which is gonna be without linking. So they're gonna publish all stuff. Oops, sorry. They're gonna publish all stuff with a CSV file. So what I want to say, and also there is the most important thing, if you just click and pay 12 plus 99 pound per monthly, which is your computer, it can be closed or something be happening, so this software is going to be stopped to run your product. It can be stock, out of stock, it can be change the price. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna manage them on our server. So it's up to you guys. If you think and believe you're gonna keep always, like me, I'm keeping always open. So if you think like this, go with this one. And if you are not make sure and you just wanna try, you can go with this one and continue with non-IP. And now you just have to type here to your eBay store name. So when you're gonna come and find your name, just type it and you're gonna just dive in. After those things, let me explain how is them system work and how I'm gonna show you everything step by step. After those things, all you have to do, guys, is everything completely. You not just need to come over here and there is the extension, so you have to download those extension which is over here. When you download this extension, after those things, all you can do, let's say in this scenario I'm going to Amazon, they always sharing with you all them supplier, which is if you come to catalog and if you just click over here, as you can see, guys, there is Amazon, Costco, Zooplus, Banggood, and just make sure it's if you're working with Banggood, Robert Diaz, Screwfix, and Manchester. There's all of them UK retail and also wholesale. Just choose of them, and they're gonna bring you all information. In this scenario, I choose the Amazon only. I just not going. I prefer to go with Costco. Costco is really good, guys. Just in case I want to show the Costco, because I don't recommend to Amazon. So I just put the minimum £5 profit. I just clean all those stuff and let's say do £10. And then what happened, this gonna be items come as from Costco. They try to sell on eBay mostly £31. It's the cost £15. There is a £10 profit. And if I click here and if I click the list, it's gonna become this way. And then if I click the list, in the minute they're gonna put on automatically in my eBay store, like they're gonna take like a 1 minute. So what they did, they grab all information, and then if something be changed the price out of stock, it's gonna be same automatically my online eBay store as well. This is really important. So many people when they starting, they don't know, because they list some item and this item go out of stock, but someone is bought already and he need to cancel. When they cancel, it's the first account, even most likely there's gonna be like a spam or just they're gonna send to suspension. So make sure you don't do those things. After you download everything, this extension, just come over here. You can use in this scenario how you find the item, which is Amazon Code, which is Zik Analytic, which is Therapy, which is we have online our website as well. This is the free software, so you can use paid or free one, which one you want to do. Find item which is selling very well. After those things, all you have to do, even I can show you a couple things, like I can I really like this software, so I can just show you those things. So let's say I want to sell something and I just want to sell all about I do like and garden also and pet as well. So you just put some price limitation, so let's say 10 between 35, and then there is some couple feature I don't do right now, and also I'm looking for new and trending, and I find this item is selling very well. And if you want this item sell like a huge time, and as you can see, this really good item, what I have to do is just come over here. I just click here, because this the everything important things. You need to find the winning product. If you find the winning product like this, guys, and per day he's selling like 42 times this item, and each time if he get like a £50 profit from one item, he getting just £1,500. Everything after those fees, everything is gone. So this is like it's really good. And when you come over here, you just need to click this extension. This extension is gonna be pop up, and all you have to do, you just click one click. You need to change some stuff. Now right now it doesn't link, but it's what you have to do. You just put all the information. They're gonna punch it, and that's it, guys. And after those things, you're gonna make sales. So if you think this is how it's work, it's really selling, guys. There is so many items. I sold it and since how many years, and there is so many items. I'm not showing so deeply, but yeah, there is so many people doing. I know like at least. Like it's going like almost 500,000 people is doing this business in my case and in my part and in my student. So I really recommend just do those things. Everything is free, which I show you right now. All just Amazon's code is paid, and also you can find free, which is there is a watch count or some kind of free website, which is gonna be my website. And if you want to know how it's work on system, I have everything make for you, and I try to explain everything step by step. And if you just want to know how to use software, how to find the winning products, because I always send them, you can always come here and you can have a look those course. It's gonna be help you everything A to Z step by step. And if you have any question, please just text me, or you can just contact with me Instagram. All you have to know, we are trying to help you always here. And if you have a question, just text me. I will try to help. And also last things, I'm gonna try to share all information so you can use 10 free listing item if you wanna try. And see you the next one, guys. Ciao.